We live in an exciting time because we have many new plants now that are dwarf in stature and don't require a lot of pruning, and it gives us more of our leisure time. Who wants to create work in our landscape, right? I want to talk about three families of plants that have many new introductions recently: Ninebarks, Spireas, and Barberries. The dwarf Ninebarks Little Devil, this is hardy in zone 3. It's a very little dwarf plant that only gets about 4 feet high. Nice dark leaves. Amber Jubilee is hardy in zone 2 and 3, and this is very hardy here. It's got the two-tone leaf, kind of the amber green. Nice little dwarf plant. There's many Spireas, including the one from NDSU called Dakota Gold Charm Spirea. And there's also Magic Carpet, which is a tiny little plant. These only get about 2 feet high or less. You don't ever have to trim them, really. And Superstar is a Frabelli type Spirea with a darker flower. It's been blooming a couple months and it only gets about 3 feet high. And the Barberries, they're so great. There's Hellman Pillar, there's Sunjoy Gold Pillar, there's Orange Rocket, and the really hot popular one now is Golden Ruby, because they're short, they're compact, they're hardy, they're colorful, and they're wonderful. Well, it's getting to be tomato season, but not for everybody, because a lot of people are complaining that they're getting the yellow flowers on their tomatoes but not much fruit set. But there is a product called Blossom Set that you can spray right on the flowers, and it increases pollination a lot. Next week I want to talk about some exciting new fruit tree varieties: apples, plums, pears, and cherries from the University of Minnesota and NDSU. Until then, good gardening.